Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to reveal to you how you can set your group on Google Groups to private or to public and vice versa. So let us get started. So for this method, guys, you will need to access your group's settings. To be more accurate, your group's visibility settings. So to do that, navigate to Google Groups, click into this button on the left hand side, and next click into this gear icon to the right to access the group settings of the group you would like to customize. Next, what you want to do is here to the left, select General Settings and then scroll down, and here you will see a section with questions like this. For example, who can see your group, who can join your group, and various other similar questions. So if you'd like to set an accessibility or visibility for each of these questions, click into the drop-down menu and choose either only invited users, so that only users you sent an invitation link or email invitation will see the given group, or anyone in the web, so that the given group may be found on Google search or here on Google Groups, or group members. So you can go with any of these options. Do the same for this question here, who can join the group. I will leave it at invited users only. And then you can do this also for other questions, like who can modify group details, but that's something you can do for your internal for a group already, so it doesn't affect really externals, for example, who haven't joined your group yet. So, but you can do this as well. Just don't forget to click into Save Changes here at the bottom once you have made your choice here and set up your group, and that's it. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.